Top 5 foods that balance electrolytes for kidneys. Your kidneys rely on a delicate balance of electrolytes to function properly, but poor nutrition can throw them off. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 foods that naturally balance electrolytes, support kidney health, and help maintain proper fluid and mineral levels in your body. Number 1. Coconut water, natural electrolyte hydrator. Coconut water is one of the most powerful natural drinks for balancing electrolytes and supporting kidney function. It contains a perfect blend of potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium, the very minerals your kidneys need to regulate fluids, support filtration, and maintain healthy blood pressure. Unlike sugary sports drinks, coconut water offers these electrolytes in a clean, low-calorie, and kidney-friendly form. One of the biggest benefits of coconut water is its high potassium level, which helps balance sodium in the body. Too much sodium is one of the leading causes of fluid retention, swelling, and kidney strain. By increasing potassium intake naturally, coconut water helps the kidneys flush excess sodium and maintain a healthy fluid balance. Coconut water also keeps the body hydrated without overwhelming the kidneys. Proper hydration is essential for preventing kidney stones, reducing urinary irritation, and supporting the kidney's natural detox process. Its magnesium content helps relax muscles in the urinary tract, making urination more comfortable, especially for people who experience spasms or urgency. For those with high blood pressure, coconut water is especially helpful. Potassium and magnesium work together to relax blood vessels, making it easier for the kidneys to filter blood. Choose natural unsweetened coconut water, a small glass, about 200 to 250 milliliters. Once a day is enough to support hydration and electrolyte balance. Coconut water is a refreshing, natural way to nourish your kidneys and keep your body's electrolytes in perfect harmony. Don't forget to subscribe to AgeGlow for more simple and natural health advice designed for older adults. Number 2. Spinach, magnesium and potassium powerhouse. Spinach is one of the most powerful electrolyte balancing vegetables for kidney health, especially for older adults and people managing diabetes. This leafy green is naturally rich in magnesium and potassium, two essential minerals that help regulate muscle function, nerve activity, and fluid balance inside the body. Because the kidneys manage these minerals, eating foods like spinach can support smoother filtration and better overall kidney performance. Magnesium plays a major role in calming the nerves that control bladder function. Low magnesium levels may contribute to cramps, spasms, and nighttime urgency. Adding spinach to your meals helps restore this balance, supporting a calmer bladder and reducing irritation. Potassium helps the kidneys maintain proper fluid movement, preventing excess sodium from building up and causing swelling or high blood pressure. Since sodium overload is one of the biggest enemies of kidney health, potassium-rich foods like spinach act as a natural counterbalance. Spinach is also full of antioxidants such as lutein and beta-carotene, which help fight inflammation around the kidneys and urinary tract. For seniors, this can offer long-term protection and support for aging kidneys. Spinach is extremely easy to add to meals. Blend it into smoothies, sauté it with olive oil, add it to soups, or mix it into omelets. Just remember, people with advanced kidney disease may need to monitor potassium intake, so talk to a healthcare provider if you have strict dietary limits. Spinach is a gentle, nutrient-dense way to help your kidneys stay balanced, energized, and protected. Number 3. Bananas, gentle potassium support. Bananas are one of the safest and most gentle sources of potassium for supporting kidney health, especially for people who need steady electrolyte balance without overwhelming their kidneys. Potassium is crucial for proper muscle function, nerve signaling, and fluid balance, and bananas offer a mild, easily digestible form that the body absorbs smoothly. For kidneys, balanced potassium levels help regulate fluid movement, prevent cramping, and keep blood pressure in a normal range. One of the biggest factors in long-term kidney protection. Unlike high potassium foods such as oranges or tomatoes, bananas provide a moderate amount, making them easier to fit into a kidney-friendly diet when portioned properly. Their natural carbohydrates and fiber also help stabilize blood sugar, which is vital for people managing diabetes, a major cause of kidney strain. The fiber slows digestion, preventing sudden glucose spikes and promoting smoother daily energy levels. Bananas also contain magnesium, which works alongside potassium to relax blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and support healthy filtration. 4 added benefits. Pair bananas with protein or healthy fats, such as peanut butter, yogurt, or nuts, to create a balanced snack that supports kidney function without stressing blood sugar or fluid levels. A small banana or half a banana per serving is often enough to gain the electrolyte benefits without excess potassium, especially for people with reduced kidney function. Gentle on digestion, soothing to the system, and packed with kidney-supportive nutrients. Bananas are a simple daily addition that keeps electrolytes balanced and filtration running smoothly. Number 4. Avocados. Healthy fats and mineral balance. Avocados are one of the most kidney-supportive foods you can add to your diet, especially when it comes to balancing electrolytes. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and healthy monounsaturated fats, nutrients that help your kidneys regulate fluids, reduce inflammation, and support overall filtration. Potassium plays an essential role in maintaining proper fluid balance and preventing sodium buildup. When sodium levels become too high, it forces the kidneys to work harder, increasing the risk of swelling, high blood pressure, and kidney strain. The natural potassium in avocados helps gently counter this effect, making it easier for the kidneys to maintain stable hydration and electrolyte levels. Magnesium, another key mineral found in avocados, supports muscle and nerve function. This includes the smooth muscles of the urinary system, helping reduce cramping, irritation, and tension that may affect kidney performance. Plus, the healthy fats in avocados provide anti-inflammatory benefits, lowering oxidative stress on kidney tissues. Avocados also contribute to blood sugar stability, which is extremely important for people with diabetes, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Their fiber and healthy fats slow digestion, preventing spikes in glucose and insulin. For best results, enjoy avocado in moderation. Add slices to salads, blend into smoothies, or spread it on whole grain toast. However, individuals with advanced kidney disease should monitor potassium intake with their doctor. With their powerful electrolyte balancing properties and anti-inflammatory nutrients, avocados are a smart and delicious way to support long-term kidney health. Number 5. Pumpkin seeds, zinc and magnesium boost. Pumpkin seeds are a small but mighty food when it comes to supporting kidney health and maintaining electrolyte balance. These nutrient-dense seeds are rich in magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals that play a crucial role in kidney function, fluid regulation, and overall cellular health. Magnesium helps maintain proper electrolyte balance, supports muscle and nerve function, and ensures smooth filtration by the kidneys. Zinc is essential for immune function, reducing inflammation and supporting tissue repair, which indirectly benefits kidney health. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet is simple and versatile. You can snack on a small handful daily, sprinkle them over salads, add them to oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. Because they are high in protein and healthy fats, they provide long-lasting energy while promoting satiety, which can help manage weight, a key factor in kidney health. For seniors or those managing kidney concerns, pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial because they are low in sodium and gentle on the kidneys, unlike many packaged snacks. Their natural antioxidant content helps reduce oxidative stress, protecting delicate kidney tissues from damage caused by free radicals. Tip: stick to a small portion, about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, as pumpkin seeds are calorie-dense. Enjoy them raw or lightly roasted without added salt to maximize kidney-friendly benefits. By making pumpkin seeds a regular part of your diet, you're not just enjoying a tasty snack, you're supporting magnesium and zinc intake, improving electrolyte balance, and promoting overall kidney wellness. This simple change can contribute to better hydration, healthier kidneys, and improved energy levels naturally. Including these foods in your diet can improve hydration, support kidney filtration, and maintain electrolyte balance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, natural tips for kidney wellness.